Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you my PCB upgrade for my Volkswagen Mark 4 2.0. So you guys know it came with one big oil cap PCB system, which is sometime lot of time actually clogged up a throttle body. So and also the part is not available in my region actually. That's why I'm thinking how can I bypass this system. And then I found something from my Toyota vehicles. It has the same thing, the PCV. You guys already known maybe on this type of parts. So it's all of the Toyota LED model vehicles, it has something like that. So I just want to install one of my spare valve cover and install it our car. So let's see what's gonna happen. And also I want to show you how I install this one. I just make a hole here and weld one of the nut bolts on that size of PCB valve, and then weld it and connect it from here. So far it will be not any leakage or something, so hopefully it will work. Okay guys, so I installed everything. The PCB valve is connected with the one of the vacuum line here with throttle body, and this is the, you guys know, this is the old PCB system here. So I will later block this one with something, but now so far I think it's good. The car is running actually. So but so far I feel some small vacuum actually, so you guys will also feel the vacuum. It's the PCB is working. So like okay, so this is my DIY PCB upgrade, and I hope you guys like, and thanks for watching. See you on next video.